Lipstick gang, this is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another video, and this time 2 colors. This sizzling hot metallic red that you see goes by the name of Hong Kong. I decided to finish her in a satin finish, and boy is she perfect for Valentine's Day. The next color that I'll be making today goes by the name of Lima, and she's a super cute pink gloss. And when I tell you it is the perfect pink gloss for Valentine's Day, I know it's cliche, but these colors were spot on and I can't wait to share. Stay tuned.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it.
Lipstick gang.
Mix it.
Lipstick gang.
Mix it.
Lipstick gang.
Mix it.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it.
Lipstick gang.
Mix it.
Lipstick gang.
Mix it.
Lipstick gang. Let's mix it up.
Alright, lipstick besties, before we get into today's video, I just would like to send a special shout out to all my current patrons on my Patreon. For the full recipe to this video and all of my archive recipes as well as my future recipes, you can join my Patreon for a small pledge of $5 per month, where we have Patreon exclusives, early access to videos, Patreon member discounts, and so many other goodies that you guys could take advantage of. For the first recipe, that Hong Kong sizzling metallic satin red, we're going to be starting with my world famous lipstick base. You can grab it from my website, veryveelobeauty.com. And then I'm going to be going in with some gold Enigma Mica. Everything that I use, I will be sure to list in the description box below so that you guys can get your hands on it and start creating some beautiful shades. You can see all of those little metallic specks flying out, so make sure that you are always wearing a mask when creating lipsticks and working with powders in general. And here I am just powering up my hand mixer. And the next ingredient I'll be adding is a FD&C Red 40 Alum Lake. And this is the oil soluble batch certified lake. And I'm just going to take my silicone rubber spatula and I'm just going to sweep that back and forth. The amount of red that I put into this is very pigmented. So what's going to end up happening is there is not enough base. So as I sweep it back and forth, you are going to see me begin to struggle. And with my satin recipes, they call for more base anyway. So here I am going in with some more base, and I'm just going to continue to sweep that back and forth, and you'll begin to see the lipstick give a little easier, allowing for me to incorporate everything evenly. And shortly after this, I am going to power up my hand mixer, and this is done. This recipe was super simple. You guys, get into this shiny red lipstick. I'm so happy that I finished her satin. It's really giving candy apple. It is so beautiful, so shiny, that perfect metallic red finish. I love it. So now it's time to bottle up our product. I'm just loading a syringe from the back. I pulled the back off a syringe and I got me like a tiny spatula, and I'm just filling the syringe in and tapping it down to level the product down to the bottom of the spatula. And once I'm done with that, I'm gonna take my pipette and I'm gonna I clipped off both ends of the pipette, and I'm going to flip that pipette backwards so that it can fit my small syringe like so. And then I'm just gonna add it. I clipped it where, you know, once I added it, it will just slide on nice and snug. And as long as it's snug, you know you're good to go. Of course, if you're filling up more bottles than one, I would definitely use a jumbo syringe. But I'm just filling up this one bottle, so this one will do. And just like that, we are done with this product.
Wrap your arms around me. Ooh, baby, I don't care what them people say. I'm giving you whatever you want. Whatever you need. Listen to your heart. I'm the only nigga who poppin' that.
This color, this Hong Kong liquid satin lipstick. Looks just as good in the bottle. You can see those beautiful shimmers and the beautiful glitter reflex from the Mica. Really pretty. It has like a golden metallic finish, and I feel like it is the perfect combo with the red. It really plays well with the red, and here I am just applying this color. And when I tell you, I cannot wait for date night to wear this color. It is so pretty. It is so perfect, not just for Valentine's Day, but it is so fitting for the occasion. I love the way this red came out. Definitely one of my favorites. I know that I say that often, but this one, you guys, this one is the one. Love it. All right, you guys, it's time to make Lima. So to the bowl, I have some Versagel lip gloss base, and I am going to follow up with some hydrogenated polyisobutene, because as you know, Versagel is very thick. So here I am pouring in my hydrogenated polyisobutene first, and I'm going to mix that in really well with my silicone spatula. And then it is time for the LC. This LC is one that I made in the video before this one on my Patreon. I did it as a Patreon exclusive because the girls love the LCs, okay? So I try to incorporate them as much as I can as Patreon exclusives, because I mean, I live for a good LC, and it's, you know, it's so much you can do with them. You can make bullets with them, and you can also make lip glosses. So here I am, I'm going in with some more hydrogenated polyisobutene just to correct that texture. I just wanted the lip gloss to be a little thinner, not necessarily thin, but not too thick, you know what I mean? So here I am just incorporating that second batch of hydrogenated polyisobutene that I added to the bowl, and voila, it came out perfect. So now it is time for me to bottle up our Lima lip gloss. So pretty. I should have added some mica. I really feel like that, but it's okay. Next time. But if you want to, I will go in with a little bit of mica to make this shimmer and shine too. But yes, here I am. I filled up my syringe, and I'm going to be filling up 3 5-milliliter bottles. So that's 15 in all. So if you were filling up like a 15-milliliter squeeze tube, then this would have filled up one of those. But since these bottles are only 5 ml, I broke it down into 3. And you can sell these, or for me, these are gonna be little Valentine's gifts for my little girls. They love lip glosses, and so I thought it was so fitting. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just go ahead and bottle up 3 and put it in their little gift baskets. But
say I'm giving you
here is a swatch of both colors side by side. Hong Kong being that cute shiny satin red, and then Lima being this beautiful pink gloss. I love the way that they both came out. It's really giving all the Valentine's Day vibes. You guys, I love it. And I would have came on here sooner and dropped this video sooner for you dolls, but you guys keep me busy. I was busy at the top of the month with some Valentine's orders, and people have just been getting their orders in. If you guys don't know, I offer wholesale as well for all of the colors that you see me creating. Yes, that is Lima. She came out so gorgeous. Such a beautiful baby doll pink. And then here we have a shot of Hong Kong as well. Thanks you guys for allowing me always to come on here and share my gift with you. I appreciate you always, and stay blessed and have a wonderful, happy Valentine's Day.